So guys, apart from using the phrases, the vocabulary word, the repetitive words, I think idioms is also one of the most important things in IELTS, especially in your writing task 2, that is the essay, and your speaking. So I have compiled a small list of idioms that can be used both in your writing task 2 essay and speaking. So let's begin with the task. One by one, I'm going to explain you the meaning, and I'll also give you some sentences of these idioms. As you can clearly see, the first one is as easy as pie. So as easy as pie means very easy. You can also use another idiom in this place. You can use cake walk. Cake walk. Cake walk and an easy as pie is one and the same thing. The meaning of this idiom is very easy. So how can you explain this in a sentence? You can say that playing football is as easy as pie for me. This means that playing football is very easy for me, or this task is a cakewalk for me. A cakewalk means anything that is very easy for you. The next one is sick and tired. Sick and tired means hating something. So you can say that I am sick and tired of playing football. I hate playing football. Now, I hate playing football is a simple sentence. So to make it complex, to make it more worthy of hearing, you can use this idiom that I am sick and tired of playing football. Next one is figure it out. Figure it out means to discover or to understand something. Like you can use this idiom in your essay also. Like the government must figure it out that why the crime is increasing day by day, right? So figure it out means to find out. Next one is take it easy. Now take it easy means relax. So you must take it easy. You must take it easy means you must relax. Next is round the clock. Round the clock is certain thing that goes on 24/7. 24 hours of the day, 7 days of the week. So round the clock. You can say that government is working round the clock in this testing times. That government is working 24/7. Next one is to get the ball rolling. So to get the ball rolling means to start something. For an example, when you start your essay, in the second paragraph, when you begin with your ideas, you can use this phrase at the start of your second para. You can write to get the ball rolling. Next one is keep an eye. Keep an eye means being watchful. That government must keep an eye on the increasing crime in the city. Keep an eye, being watchful. The government must keep an eye for the increasing crime in the city. Next one is by leaps and bounds. Now this idiom is very important and it is very common and it can be used in almost any essay. So by leaps and bounds means multiple times. Like India is advancing by leaps and bounds. The crime in the city is increasing by leaps and bounds. This means multiple times. Next one is over the moon. Now this idiom means very happy, very happy. Like you can say today I am feeling over the moon. Over the moon means very happy. Instead of over the moon, you can also use I am feeling on cloud 9. So cloud 9 and over the moon is same. They have same meaning. Okay, the last one is down and dusted. Down and dusted means feeling defeated. Or you can also say feeling tired. So after working tirelessly for the day, in the evening I'm feeling down and dusted. Down and dusted means very tired. So guys, these 10 idioms can be used in most of your writing and your speaking QCA topics. So you must take a screenshot of these idioms and then you must learn them and try to use in your speaking and writing.